Hello friends, this is Faridoon Shahryar with video cameraman Tahir Sheikh. We are in Hyderabad for the PK City Tour. Amir Khan, Anushka Sharma, Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Raju Hirani and writer Abhijat Joshi. We tracked them all day long. One notable thing that I noticed was the camaraderie, the bonding between the team. It's a happy unit. They are confident of having made a good film and they're not boasting about all these coveted, so-called coveted 100 crore and 200 crore club. First of all, a press conference at PVR in Hyderabad. Let's bring you some highlights from this press conference.
You stay in US and PK is based totally in Rajasthan and like the heartland of India. So in terms of milieu, how do you adapt to such a milieu, considering you've been staying in US for some time now?
You know, for the last 5 years, after Three Idiots, I've more or less shifted to India. I still go and teach in the US for a semester, but most of my time I spend here. And as Raju earlier said, these films come from memories and they come from outrage and they come from whatever you have felt deeply, not only immediately, but for years and years. So I think it's an amalgamation of all of that.
Many times it's said that humor is serious business. So what is the collaboration like that you guys have between you and Mr. Hirani? That I think there's amazing humor. There was amazing humor in 3 Idiots, and they're being told that PK is having a lot of good humor.
Usually Raju comes up with these things, and if I don't fall on the street and roll, he doesn't keep it in the movie.
Thank you, everybody.
No, I have to add to that. You know, there have been a number of scenes in the film where my character is supposed to be unaware of the humor of the situation. And it has been the toughest task for me in the case of PK, where I'm supposed to keep a straight face. In fact, I should be, concerned about something else. When something really funny is happening around me. So it's been really tough. And I think to end this, I'd like to say that जो फिल्म हमने बनाई है, मुझे लगता है कि हम सबके दिल के बहुत करीब है. और जो हम बनाने चले थे, हमें लगता है कि जब हम फिल्म देखते हैं, 2-3 दिन पहले हमने फिल्म देखी, कंप्लीट फिल्म, हमें लगता है कि जो हम बनाने चले थे उसमें हम कामयाब हुए और हमें उम्मीद है कि सब लोगों को फिल्म पसंद आएगी.
You've recently also said that maybe there should be a organization like Rentrack in India, that one body that just documents all the collections of box office collections.
Well, I feel it's silly, I just feel it's silly कि मेरे collection 10 रुपए है, मैं बोलता हूँ 15 रुपए है. अजीब बात है. मैं किसको बेवकूफ़ बना रहा हूँ? अपने आप को बेवकूफ़ बना रहा हूँ. तो ये जो चलन है, चाइल्डिश, मेरे को चाइल्डिश लगता है मुझे. और मैं उस दिन का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ जब रेंट्रैक जैसी कंपनी आए. जैसे अमेरिका में रेंट्रैक जो है वो आपको एक्यूरेट फिगर्स देती है, वो थर्ड पार्टी है और वो अपने फिगर्स वेबसाइट पर डालती है. आई होप कि इंडिया में हम लोग भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअली देखिए, बचपन से मेरे कान बहुत बड़े हैं और थोड़े बहुत बाहर भी निकलते हैं, काफ़ी बाहर निकलते हैं. तो बचपन में मुझे लोग खूब चिढ़ाते थे, स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स. तो जब ये फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट मैंने सुनी और जिस तरह से किरदार है, तो मैंने राजू को बोला, यार मैं अपने कान जो है बाहर निकलते हैं बड़े हैं और मैं निकाल देता हूँ. तो हमने कान के पीछे कुछ लगाया था और उसकी वजह से कान जो है वो एकदम पॉप आउट होते हैं. आपको लगता है कि वो मुझसे शॉर्ट नहीं है? देखिए, who's taller? Tell me. हाँ?
No, of course she's taller.
अरे?
He'll finish it.
क्या कह रही हैं आप?
आप पोस्टर पे देखिए पीछे.
अरे पोस्टर पे देखने से क्या है? ओहो, देखो कितना टॉलर हूँ मैं.
No, helmet लगाने के बाद भी you're looking shorter than her. Short people are.
अब उसके लिए तो पैर काटने पड़ते हैं इनके. That's not correct.
They thought they should treat me nicely in the film. तो उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ step नहीं लिया. But I think it's very cute actually, and I don't believe in what you're saying कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. There should be nothing fixed. If it
I always look up to my women.
And even short people are wise people though.
Well, that I'm not so sure about.
That I'm also not sure
But
about.
we always look up. That I'm sure about.
A special screening of 3 Idiots was held for certain contest winners. Let's bring you some highlights from the interaction that happened post the screening with the audience and Amir and Anushka. Some very, very amusing highlights of this press conference.
It's a very unique film, very different from Three Idiots in a way, but it's still, I think it'll make you laugh, it'll make you cry and leave you with something. And I think it requires many idiots to make that film. So we call ourselves a bunch of idiots who get together and make this film. We've started calling Anushka actually the 4th idiot.
My question to Anushka ma'am, you worked with Amir Khan sir for the first time. Can you share your experience? Like the entire group wants to know how he is as a person.
In the beginning, I was a little intimidated by Amir. And like he says rightly, it was my baggage because I come from an army background, so that sense of hierarchy is always there. So I can't just be like, hey Amir, kaise ho? Or kya chal raha hai? Kal kya kiya? So I can't be like that. So I used to always feel that little, that respect wala jo distance hota hai. But I think he's a phenomenal actor. He's very, very sharp. He's very intelligent, and it's very apparent. Like even if you have a conversation with him for like 5-10 minutes, you can see that. And when he asks you something, he actually wants to know the answer. So a lot of times, like how people they just make small talk, but no, he actually wants to know. So he shows interest in what you're saying, and I think that I think is a very lovely thing about him.
Promotion poster, with the rate.
Yeah, feeling cold here. It's feeling very cold.
Recently we saw that the awkwardness between all the three Khans have broken. So when will we be more fortunate to see all the three Khans on the silver screen together?
Well, I have to correct you there. I was most awkward even on that stage. I hope you could see that.
Always you have the friendly vibes with all.
No, I'm very fond of both of them, and I hope that one day we can work together. I'm sure that not only the three of us would enjoy it, but I'm sure that audiences would like to see that. So if that happens, I would be very happy.
आपके photos पूरे collection है. I have brought it for you because मेरे life में सोचा ही नहीं था मैं आपसे मिलूंगी. I'm really बहुत excited हूँ.
Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you.
just want one autograph. मुझे मेरी life में मेरे ख्याल से नहीं आएगा फिर. मुझे बहुत चाहती. Like we are crazy for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kabir.
And once like
Husband.
he's not here.
Oh, he's not here.
But he gave me permission to come here.
Why you took his permission? Huh?
Because like husband.
He should take your permission.
No, not like that. If I take permission, then he will give also permission to me.
Acha.
Yeah,
He will give also.
Yeah, he will give.
No, but you don't. He doesn't take permission from you to go anywhere.
No.
Oh.
मैंने ऐसे छोड़ दिया. मैं भी आपको.
Well, अभी इसका आंसर कुछ नहीं है जब लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई आप परफेक्ट हो. एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि मैं परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ. मैं फ्रैंकली बताऊँ. अब ये लोग मुझे कहते हैं परफेक्शनिस्ट और ये सब, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हर आदमी में कुछ ना कुछ इम्परफेक्शंस होते हैं, कमियां होती हैं, और यही हमारी खूबसूरती होती है. आई थिंक अगर मैं फिल्मों में नहीं होता तो शायद मैं स्पोर्ट्स के फील्ड में होता या मैं टीचर बनना चाहता. आई थिंक दैट्स अ वंडरफुल प्रोफेशन. फुनसुक वांगडू.
We would love to see you in making a Andaz Apna Apna remake with Salman.
Yeah, well, not remake because it's been made once, but maybe a sequel to it, Andaz Apna Apna 2. I would also love that. It really depends on Raj Santoshi now. I've told him a couple of times कि आप बनाइए. सलमान और मैं दोनों काम करना चाहेंगे, but he's not written it yet. So let's see what happens.
Amir Khan caused a stampede as he came to have his lunch here at Paradise Biryani Center in Hyderabad. I also had this biryani, and I can surely say that it's the best biryani that I've ever had. This is Faridoon Shahryar with video cameraman Tahir Sheikh in Hyderabad for Bollywood Hungama News Network. Keep on watching. Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.